RM Sotheby's are incredibly pleased and honored to present the next 6 cars from the superb collection of the late Ralph Whitworth. Ralph was a really great enthusiast of the American hot rod and of the history of American drag racing, and the 6 cars that we're going to offer from his collection tonight are certainly a testament to his passion. The collection begins with lot 171. This is the 1956 Chevrolet 210 8-stock drag racer, offered tonight without reserve. It's one of the most authentic examples extant of the iconic stock eliminator class of drag racing cars. It had extensive period racing history in the various junior classes of drag racing between 1957 and 1970. Make no mistake, it's the real deal. It actually competed in period, a period drag racer with real history.
Thank you. Selling today to the highest bidder. How start the bidding here today? How much? How much you want to start the bidding here, guys? You tell me. 10,000. Thank you. Now 15,000. 10 bid, 15,000. 15,000. 15,000. 10 bid, 15,000. That's probably the price of the motor. Half of it. 15,000. 10 bid, 15,000. 15. I'll work a little harder first. 15,000. I'll take 12.5. Thank you. Now 15. 15,000. 15,000. 12.5. 15,000. 15,000. 12.5. 15. Thank you. 17.5. 15 bid. 17.5. 17.5. 15 bid. 17.5. 17.5.
Now this car was actually maintained and owned by its original owner, and the gentleman who raced it, he kept the car for 45 years. It's actually a streetable car. That's important to know. It's not just a race car. It can be driven on the street. It is equipped with its original racing speed equipment, and very much emblematic of this golden era of American drag racing. Think of the heads you turn in this car.
16, 17,000. Do it quickly, guys. We're going to take it out. 16 bid, 17. Offer today at no reserve. What a wonderful buy here. 17, 16, 17. Take advantage now. 17. I got 16 bid. Zach's in at 16. Got to be 17. 16 bid, 17,000. 16 bid, 17,000. 17,000. 16 bid, 17. I got 16 bid, 17,000. Here we go. 17. Thank you now. 18,000. 17,000. 18,000. Internet's in at 17. 18,000. 18,000. 17,500. 18,000. 17.5, 18,000 quickly now. 18, 17.5 in the back of the room. 18,000, internet's out. 18,000, 17.5 in, 18,000, 17.5 in, a little bit 18,000, yes or no? 18, 18.5, 18.5, 19, the internet, 19, 18.5 in, 19,000, 18.5 in, a little 19,000, 18.5 in, 19,000 internet, you can do it. 19,000, 18.5 in, 19,000, 19, does he have 19? 19, 19.5, 19 bid, 19.5, 19.5, 19 bid, 19.5, now 20,000, now 20, 19.5 bid, now 20,000, 19.5 bid, 20, 19.5 bid, 20,000, 20,000 going once, 19.5 bid, 20,000 going twice, 19.5 bid, 20,000, third and final call at 20,000. So 19.5, thank you, 19.5 in the back.